Question 3.3, refer to the diagram below to determine the value of z if angle P is z plus 20 degrees and angle R is 2z minus 80 degrees. PQRS is a parallelogram. Please provide a reason for your statement. Okay, so in a parallelogram, we know that opposite angles are equal. So that is our reason. So opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So we have z plus 20 is equal to 2z minus 80 degrees. And then we can just solve. So we want all the z's on one side, all the numbers on the other side. So let's take this z across. So it's going to be 2z minus z, because when we take it across, we change the sign. And we're going to take this minus 80 across. So it's going to be 20 add 80, because when we take it across, we change the sign. So 20 plus 80 is 100. 2z minus z is just z. So z is 100 degrees. And that is our final answer. So you can see that is a thing where you have to know that opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal.